The driver of a truck was looking down at a map on his phone and completely missed the fact that he had a red light. Truck crash in Escondido. California guy missed the exit and flipped. Driver is okay, only minor injuries. Wrong way driver gets angry when camera honks at him.
What you doing? That's the turn lane. You are whack.
Car crash in Twin Falls, Idaho. The other driver ran a red light. He said he was looking down, and when he looked up, the light was red. Not sure if he was using a cell phone or what the distraction was. Road rage incident, Ontario, Canada. The black car passes the red car over a double yellow. While approaching, stopped traffic. Then brake checks the red car, which nearly collides with it.
What?
He came flying up at 105 kilometers an hour in the last minute. Just slammed on his brakes. Then the guy behind him had to go out under the shoulder. Wow, he's getting out. He's getting out!
Why is he getting out?
He's yelling at the guy behind him. Oh, he just hit him! He hit his car.
What the f***?
I got the whole thing on camera, too. Including my excitement. Best drive home yet.
What, so, what guy slammed on his brakes?
The guy right behind us
Yeah?
came to a screeching halt, sending the red car behind him out into the oncoming lane because he didn't want to smash in the back.
Was he not slowing down either? Were you
I don't think he was probably top, and way past the top edge.
This is why you should never flash a car to go, and you should not trust a flash. You need to look and make sure it is safe.
Road is slow around the Cobbleston area, and as you head in from the Essex direction, works right there. In Selby you'll find it busy through Barby. This is because we've got some restrictions in place due to roadworks around the Green Court roundabout.
Several drivers swerve into Cammer's lane and attempt to block him from legally passing. Some people don't know how to drive and don't understand the rules of the road.
Title known as the Stellar Exodus. This marks the time when humanity made its first colonies on other worlds and also beyond the solar system. These initial colonies were reached using ships that were still only capable of sublight speeds by this, as well as our developing but limited knowledge of building these vast-scale ships. When these ships reach their destination, though, they would
Camera
be
is
in
signalling left, and he starts turning left, and a car overtakes him. This is reckless, and could have caused an accident. He followed them to ask if they knew they almost hit him.
Yo, you guys realize you almost hit me, right?
Put your blinker on the other way. What you doing?
It was the other way, you serious?
Yeah, it's on the left side, yeah, and there's no turn to the left.
I was going in someone's driveway, I'm delivering
No turn to
pizza.
the left.
There was a driveway to the left.
Driving to the
I was
left.
pulling into a driveway.
Come on now, I live around here.
I was pulling into a driveway.
There's no driving to the left.
There was a driveway
No, there's
there.
not.
I could pull it up on Google Maps and show you.
Put your blinker on beforehand, then not right as the driveway's coming up.
I'm looking for the address.
Driver, get that here.
Don't hit people.
A Mercedes tries skipping a queue by driving on the outside lane and chopping in at the last minute. After getting honked at for this maneuver, he sticks his finger out the window and proceeds to brake check, almost causing a collision. Guy decides to run a red light when Kama was in the middle of the intersection, causing a 3-car accident.
Oh, easy there, Speed Demon.
Corolla driver almost causes accident. He cuts off a motorcyclist when he runs the red light.
You stupid. Look at this piece of. It cuts me off.
It was a Corolla. I mean, come on.
What's that?
It was a Corolla. None of them can drive.
Yeah, really, eh? What a. I'm gonna go get that guy for almost creaming me. What's up, dude? No? What's that? If you want to run red lights, I don't really care. But you almost hit me, dude. Cool. You don't care about somebody else's life, eh? Must be nice. I see why your door's like that. What's that? Roll your window down. Let's stop.
Rear end collision with distracted driver. Rear camera reveals she was looking down towards the seat to her right while the car was in motion. For close to 2.5 seconds, her car was in motion without her looking forward.